Airia munongin na itolo sitai otelo ko Paradise Villa ko ibuga soroti nesi temere aina peta no ibusakint aitolo kano Abolaisio nuko senior kotoma arena kotesho.
We need to inform our games teachers. The issue of online registration, the deadlines must be observed. USS has reached a level whereby they will leave you behind. Like that issue of that games teacher. There is even one in Ibarara, some school, I think it's Ronco parents. They also came the same way, but they denied them. So it is better when we go back home, let's tell our head teachers, the games teachers, USSA will never give you a second thought. They only gave Karamoja for just one reason only. But even in Karamoja, they were dozing.
John Robert Osu, Abolaisio, Tezo Zone Secondary School Sports Association, Gese Jamunebe, Abolaisio Ngun, Kese Pote, Alosta Konye, Arachamutu, Apollo Kisemeri, I gang Abolaisio.
Son again Abolaisio, again Otomo Someroi, again Moi, and I Kanyet, Abarakany, Olapa Lopa, Lolo Kantapi. Alosete Paka. The climax will be around Akaisara Nuka, Olapa Lopolo, Okarla Mukuminiare, Kadakaisari Uni. Kidinga neni, Elosete Borul, Elosete Somero, Abolia Tomo Somero, Eloseto districts, Alosete Konye, a zone meet, Airia Moon, Amuria SS.
Teso zone, Nesi Ebuni, Aitolo, Abolobol, Kotoma Adokena, Memoriarito, Hanibo, Netibo, Volebo, Wudubo, Futubo, Kotoma Che, Vincent Ingurat, Loda Ruchokit, Abolaisio Nuka Volebo, Kotoma Adopted na Isemo Luka Senior, Nesi Ilipit, Isemeroi, Anyunebe, Temono Kinete Kesi, Aboliak Kano, Abolaisio Kangun.
Aicokokin etonoi. Opote tunga aima emopira opota auria kesi Aicokokin kejedwe nare na ibole taridwe oja sauria kakisi nikotos chamuto ngebe pote kesa bolia ndokani tota ilepi district na kere kachutno ilo teso wayanga uti teams ejekino sima bolia sini
Airia muna katezo zone nese ponyo aitolot erasi akaisara luare aitodol akaisara lokany o district lo amuria Abolaisio nuka ball games 2 Kanuka tezo zone nesi isi pejoi esemuro loka Muria High School imor kikina keda Muria SS kanu ekaruka low Gabriel esikukanuka TV East koibuga soroti.